In this video, we'll dive into the exciting world of creating a viral AI music video for free. You'll learn step by step how to harness the power of artificial intelligence to produce captivating visuals that complement your music. We'll explore the crucial role of creativity and technology in today's music production landscape, emphasizing how they can work together to elevate your artistic vision. Plus, we'll discuss the potential for your video to go viral, reaching a wider audience and making a significant impact in the digital space. Get ready to unleash your creativity and make waves in the music scene. Understanding AI music tools. In this segment, we'll explore some popular AI music generation platforms, including OpenAI's MuseNet and Amper Music. These tools offer a range of features that make music creation accessible for beginners, such as user-friendly interfaces and customizable options. MuseNet allows you to generate compositions in various styles, while Amper Music enables you to create original tracks by simply selecting mood and genre. We encourage you to experiment with different AI tools to discover which one resonates with your creative process. By trying out various platforms, you can find the perfect fit for your unique musical vision and style. Choosing the right music genre. Selecting the right music genre is crucial in setting the tone for your music video and ensuring it resonates with your target audience. Different genres evoke distinct emotions and can significantly influence viewer engagement. For instance, trending genres like pop and electronic often capture attention and have a higher chance of going viral. As you choose a genre, consider your personal style and how it aligns with audience preferences. Think about what excites you musically and what your viewers are likely to enjoy. This thoughtful approach will help you create a compelling and relatable music video that stands out. Creating engaging visuals. To generate captivating visuals that complement your music, consider using free tools like Canva and Runway ML. These platforms offer user-friendly features that allow you to create stunning graphics and animations effortlessly. It's essential to align your visuals with the mood and theme of your music, as this harmony enhances the overall impact of your video. Think about how colors, shapes, and movements can reflect the emotions conveyed in your song. Don't hesitate to get creative with visual storytelling. Unique and imaginative visuals can significantly boost viewer engagement and make your music video memorable. Let your artistic vision shine. Editing and finalizing the video. When it comes to editing your music and visuals into a cohesive video, using free software like DaVinci Resolve or Shotcut can be a great starting point for beginners. These tools offer powerful features that help you refine your project. Pay close attention to pacing and transitions, as they play a vital role in maintaining viewer interest and ensuring a smooth flow between scenes. Additionally, don't hesitate to seek feedback from friends or fellow creators before finalizing your video. Constructive criticism can provide valuable insights and help you make necessary adjustments, ultimately enhancing the quality of your final product. Optimizing for YouTube. To enhance your video's visibility on YouTube, it's essential to focus on catchy titles, detailed descriptions, and relevant tags for effective SEO. A compelling title grabs attention, while a well-crafted description provides context and encourages viewers to watch. Don't forget to use eye-catching thumbnails, as they play a crucial role in attracting clicks and increasing your video's appeal. Additionally, engaging with your audience through comments and social media can foster a sense of community and encourage more views. By actively interacting with viewers, you can build a loyal following and boost your video's performance on the platform. Promoting your video. To reach a wider audience for your music video, consider sharing it on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, where visual content thrives. These platforms can help you connect with potential fans and generate buzz around your work. Collaborating with other creators is another effective strategy. By tapping into their audiences, you can expand your reach and gain new followers. Additionally, engaging with online communities and forums related to your genre can provide valuable exposure. Participating in discussions and sharing your video in these spaces can attract viewers who are genuinely interested in your content, enhancing your overall visibility. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the vital role of creativity and technology in crafting viral music videos. We discussed how to choose the right genre, generate captivating visuals, and edit your project for maximum impact. Remember, the tips shared here are designed to empower you to start creating your own unique videos. Don't hesitate to experiment and let your artistic vision shine. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who might benefit. Your support helps us create more valuable content, and we can't wait to see what you create.